Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create an AI influencer model video. These social media influencers have millions of followers and charge over $10,000 per Instagram post. But the shocking thing is they are not real. They are all AI generated and they are having brand deals and paid sponsorships, making tons of money. You may be thinking, can I do that? The answer is yes, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own AI influencer for completely free. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, we need a beautiful face for our Instagram model. For that, I'm going to use TensorArt, which is totally free to use and has multiple models to generate the images. I'm going to use Juggernaut Aftermath, which is the most realistic model of them all. Now, simply run this model and you will have an interface like this one. On the left side, we have options to enter our prompts. We also have the negative prompt section. I have entered this lengthy negative prompt, but you can use shorter prompts. It all depends on you. We have the image-to-image option, but the most important option we are looking for is the seed number. The seed value is crucial here. Now, put any random number that you can easily remember. Let's say I'm going to type 1234. Then go to the prompt section. I'm going to give it a prompt. A beautiful woman with a big smile on her face, wavy black hair, ultra realistic. Now hit generate. This will take only a few seconds to generate the images. Here are a few images that I generated. They are not looking too good, so if you are not satisfied with the results, just change the seed values and your prompt, then regenerate. Now look at the results. These are some photorealistic images. The skin texture is realistic and she looks like a real person. I'm happy with this model. Let's say I want variations in the images, like different clothes, environments, places and poses. All I have to do is change the prompt a little bit. For example, I want her to wear a hat and glasses. I simply add in the prompt, wearing a hat and glasses, and hit generate. Now the same lady is wearing glasses and a hat. Now, let's talk about how we can change the environment. If I want her to be in a coffee shop, I simply type "sitting in a coffee shop" and change the aspect ratio to get different images. Here are the results. Now she is sitting in a coffee shop. The face matches and our model is the same. If you want her to pose differently, like a specific reference image, use the image-to-image option. Upload the reference image and select the aspect ratio according to your input image. Then hit generate without changing any values. These are the output results, and she's exactly posing like the reference image. That's how you can generate your own AI Instagram model in a few easy steps. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.